Hello friends, today we will see what is HTML paragraph. So let's start. Here I already wrote some p tags. We will see paragraph concepts. Okay. Now we will see output first. This is the output of this p tag. Okay. And I will inspect elements and show the details of p tag. The HTML p element defines paragraph. Okay, P means paragraph. Paragraph always starts on a new line and browser automatically adds some white space before and after paragraphs like margin. Okay, in all P tags, browser automatically add margin top and bottom. These are the white space. Okay, large or small screen and resized window will create different result in P tags. Okay. The browser will automatically remove any extra spaces and line when the page is displayed. Suppose here we give some space and save the projects and refresh the browser. Then there is no any difference. Okay. Browser automatically remove white space in paragraph. Okay. Yeah. These are the paragraphs. Thank you.